Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What's up, lifers? We're out here on the Goat Lake. Rob, how did this happen?
Literally. What time did I call you? About almost 10 o'clock at night?
Almost 10 o'clock last night.
I was on the couch, bored, doing some Air BNB searching, and I found an opening and a great price for Lake Fork, so we're on Lake Fork for the weekend. Literally about almost 10 o'clock at night. Said, hey, you want to go? We had like 5 minutes to decide.
I'm here, as y'all see.
Here we are.
We're on it. Little to no warning.
Day 3.
I needed it. I needed to get out here though. That's the only fishing I've been doing is at that down spillway, and not very much of that. So when I get up and get to fishing, I've been tying on rods, been fishing for about 20 minutes. Okay, this paper right here is what you would call a shell bed. I've looked under the water and seen.
Yep.
Rob's got the thing up front, and he's seeing thriving live shells on this bed here. 2 of them are on a Posturepedic. 2 of them are on some old motel beds. You know. 2 of them got memory foam.
I haven't seen him pour anything up though.
Huh?
I haven't seen him bring anything in.
Okay, I don't ever bitch y'all, but I need a line sponsor. I don't need a bait sponsor. I don't need a boat sponsor. I don't need a reel or a rod sponsor. I need a line sponsor. Fishing line. I need it bad. That and a ranch water sponsor. It's the only 2 sponsorships I need. Mountain Dew wouldn't hurt, but Vicious, Cast King, String, somebody pick your boy up. Back before the pandemic, I didn't even need that. I just go to Walmart and get it.
Not no more.
Not no more. Alright, first night was a bust. Had a couple bites, and we did some rodeo shit with the trolling motor, and Rob left the trolling motor down.
God damn. You don't tell me that when I walk away.
I just noticed it when you sit down.
I just realized it too when I walked.
So, he's gonna have to climb his little narrow Mexican ass back up there.
You didn't tell me earlier because you wanted to look at my ass again.
Alright, lifers, day 2. I have no sleep, none at all.
Me neither.
This man snored from the time his head hit that bed until I woke him up an hour ago.
Yeah, I don't believe that. Look at this slim physique. I don't snore.
My God. We spotted some fish last night as we was leaving. We're finna try to go get on them. I gotta get rigged up for deep bite. And hope we can get on them. We'll bring y'all along.
Got one? Got one?
Hey, come tilt my camera back.
Oh, nice fucking.
That's a fucking hoss right there. That's a fucking hoss, everybody. Lake Fork is not just hype. Can't even hold it back.
That's why we're out here.
Lake Fork is not just hype, everybody. Look at that.
That's a beautiful fish.
That's a big fucker. That's 5 all day. I don't know where my scale's at. Oh my God, y'all. Are y'all believing this? These scales worked yesterday. I checked them. $5.11.
5.11.
Get him, Rob. Get him. They may net him or you gonna boat with him?
You net him.
You can net him. You can net him.
On a jig.
On a jig. On a jig. Alright, y'all. It's not a bunch of fish, but we got 2 fish over 11 pounds. That's pretty awesome for me and Rob. Pretty awesome. On a lake, pretty much. I hadn't fished in 15, 20 years, and he's never fished in a boat. No guide, no help. A little bitty hook, Lawrence hook 4. We were finding these fish on out deep and catching them. No TV screen, no spotlight. Like we're fucking 100 yards from where we caught that fish.
We were at that tree about
Yeah.
2 minutes ago.
But we were having fun catching fish. But damn, that pool looked nice. Sleeping. Huh? Let's go eat. We were already planning on being off the water. And we've did what we came to do. Right? Midday report, 2 fish, which is twice as many as I expected to catch. Rob caught 1, I caught 1. We both missed a couple cents. Having a good day. It is fucking August and it's only like 85 degrees right now. And it's about time to go eat. Because we figured it was going to be so hot we couldn't stand it, we'd already be wanting to go get an air conditioner somewhere. If not, we'd have brought sandwiches. I like me some sandwiches.